Steve Zaz here from Zaz Precision Auto Detailing LLC, based out of North Carolina. This detail is now complete on a 2008 Hyundai Veracruz Limited SUV. Vehicle was neglected. It has 200,000 miles on it. Paint was corrected in certain areas, followed with 3D speed and 3D 1 for the paint correction. Lower right side has some cement overspray, which was not able to be removed. Customer was advised and he was okay with that. All the paint transfer is gone on all these doors with some medium polishing. Headlights were restored and also ceramic coated. A lot of oxidation was present. Interior was fully cleaned, scrubbed, protected. Vehicle does have weather techs. They were all scrubbed out, power washed. That pretty much saved the interior. Highly recommended that you purchase WeatherTech mats. All the plastic door panels, dash was cleaned and protected. Steering wheel was detailed, cleaned and protected as well. Current mileage on this vehicle is 204,000 plus. This detail is now complete. Vehicle will be turned over to the owner momentarily. Like and subscribe to my channel, Zaz Precision Auto Detailing.